Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use a credit card for Flipkart shopping. We'll go through the entire process step by step, from adding your card details to successfully completing a purchase. Understanding these steps will help you shop with confidence and ease on Flipkart. We'll also touch upon important security measures to keep your transactions safe. Let's get started and make your online shopping experience seamless. To begin, log into your Flipkart account and head over to the My Account section. From there, you'll find an option called Saved Cards and Wallet. Click on this to manage your payment methods. You'll then see a button to add new card. Carefully enter your 16-digit credit card number, the cardholder's name exactly as it appears on the card, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code found on the back. Always double-check these details for accuracy. Once you have added all your desired items to your shopping cart, simply proceed to the checkout page. Here, you will be presented with various payment options. Select credit or debit card as your preferred method. If you have previously saved your card, you can choose it from the list. Otherwise, you will need to enter the card details again. Finally, input the 3-digit CVV code for the chosen card and click to complete your payment. A one-time password may be required. For your security, always ensure that you receive and enter a one-time password, or OTP, for every credit card transaction on Flipkart. This adds an extra layer of protection. Remember, never share your OTP, CVV, or card PIN with anyone, even if they claim to be from Flipkart or your bank. It's also a good practice to regularly review your bank statements to quickly identify any unauthorized transactions. For convenience, you may save your card details, but only on trusted and secure devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.